Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Audi car with cardboard. First, gather your materials. You'll need several large, sturdy cardboard sheets, a sharp craft knife, and a reliable ruler for precise cuts. Don't forget strong adhesive, a pencil for marking, and a protective cutting mat. Having a printed template of your desired Audi model will make the process much smoother. Now, let's move on to cutting and shaping. Using your craft knife and ruler, carefully cut out all the main body panels according to your template. Remember to score the cardboard lightly before folding to achieve crisp, clean edges. Assemble the foundational pieces to form the car's basic chassis and the passenger compartment, ensuring everything aligns correctly for a stable base. Next, it's time to add those crucial details that bring your Audi to life. Cut out and attach smaller cardboard pieces for the windows, headlights, taillights, and the iconic Audi grille. For the wheels, you can layer several circular cardboard pieces for thickness and durability. Securely attach these four wheels to the car's chassis, ensuring they can rotate if you wish. Finally, let's apply the finishing touches. Go over all the joints and seams, reinforcing them with extra adhesive to ensure your cardboard Audi is sturdy and durable. Now comes the fun part, painting. Choose your favorite color scheme and apply it carefully. You can also add custom decals, interior details, or even a small steering wheel to personalize your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.